Jamie, what are those? What are those?
These are Lay's potato chips.
I love Lay's potato chips. Are we using those today?
No, we're not using those today. We're making our own chips today.
What?
They're gonna be a healthier version of this. This is obviously the easier route to go.
Well, let me have these then.
They're all yours.
These are amazing. All right, tell me what we're doing.
We're making homemade sweet potato chips. They're gonna keep.
Huh?
I can't focus. These are the components of what we're making over today. It's like a typical can of French onion dip or jar of French onion dip. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but they tend to be packed with sodium. By making our own chips, we're gonna keep sodium in check. We're gonna bring calories and fat way down, and we're gonna give you a delicious way to just incorporate more vegetables into your party appetizers.
All right, I'm on board. That sounds great.
Let's do it. So normally, with a French onion dip, you get like a super sodium-rich seasoning packet. You mix it with sour cream and mayo. We're not doing any of that today. So secret ingredient number 1 is tofu. I want to add a good amount of complexity, so we're going to use some yellow onions and we're going to use some shallots. So whole milk Greek yogurt, it's a great replacement for sour cream or mayo. We need to buy potatoes to make our homemade chips. I don't want it to have any super odd curvature or shape because I'm gonna be shaping these on a mandolin. All right, nice little herb action with the chives. I think we're good. Yeah, ready to do this? Let's do it, man. Party on. We're gonna slice these guys on the mandolin into about 1/8 of an inch thick slices. This is about the kind of thickness that we want. We're leaving the skins on because they actually pack a decent amount of fiber. Okay, so I'm gonna toss these with just a tiny bit of oil and then a little bit of kosher salt. Okay, we're gonna spread these out over here on the baking sheet. So we're gonna pop these in the oven for an hour and a half at 200, dehydrate them, and then we'll crank the oven up to 400, finish them off for maybe 10 minutes to get them nice and crispy.
Jamie, what are you doing? Because I'm starting to cry over here with these onions.
Okay, so we're using some yellow onions and shallots. We're gonna add a little bit of oil to our pan, and we're gonna cook these guys over medium heat, 8 to 10 minutes. We'll drop it down to a simmer, finish them off for about 40 minutes. Okay, so these have been cooking for about 8 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and salt them, add in some freshly ground black pepper, and a little bit of thyme.
What time is it?
It's herb time. You'll know when these are done when they start turning like a chestnut golden brown color. So we're gonna go ahead and finish them off by adding in some lower sodium Worcestershire sauce. This is a big umami booster. And we're gonna add in some minced garlic. And then we're just gonna finish cooking these for maybe 5 more minutes until this garlic kind of breaks down and becomes aromatic, and these guys will be done. So the unassuming ingredient in this recipe is tofu. It's just gonna slip in some great quality protein and save big on calories and fat. And we're gonna mix it with some Greek yogurt. Kind of packs the same kind of tang as sour cream does. So it's a great replacement for sour cream or mayo, and again, any kind of dip or sauce that you're making. And then just for a little bit of extra tang, I'm gonna squeeze some fresh lemon juice in here.
If somebody gave you lemons, what do you make with it?
Vodka lemonade?
Yeah! I was gonna say margaritas, but that's what I'm talking about.
That would be a lime. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this up until it's super smooth. Just gonna empty out the contents of this into a bowl, and then we're gonna add in our caramelized onion mixture to this. Okay, we're just gonna top this off with some fresh chives, add a nice fresh element, kind of make everything pop. So we've let our sweet potato chips cool for a little bit, and they're perfectly tender in the center, and they've got these nice crispy brown edges. And the best thing about making homemade chips like this is that they're bigger, so there's more surface area for you to pick up whatever kind of dip concoction that you're dipping them into. All right, Josh, you ready to try these?
Yeah, man.
Let's do it.
Chips and dip.
It's party time.
All right.
Yeah.
Can you hear the
That's
crunching?
the money crunch, yes.
That is so good.
Yeah, that's what we want. Big flavor, less heft. No one will ever know that you're hiding tofu in a dip like this. And it's a great way to sneak in an extra serving of vegetables. So the surefire way to win any kind of game day spread.